2 days in Italy's Lake Maggiore, exploring the Borromean Islands, Isola Bella, and Isola Madre, with palatial villas and dreamy paradise gardens, staying in a quintessentially Italian town, Stresa, and a hotel with a rooftop pool overlooking Lake Maggiore, backdropped by the Italian Alps. So breathtakingly beautiful, it's like a fantasy, but it's real, and I'm here. We just got here to our hotel at Lago di Maggiore, and this is our amazing view. This is the main promenade of Stresa. We are staying at Hotel La Palma. And this is the nice room. This is a really nice walk. We are passing by this wedding cake type grand dam hotels like this Regina Palace. Water and drinks that we get from Carrefour or Carrefour. We're gonna bring it back to our hotel room. We're passing by these huge hotels. Our hotel is just a few feet away. The lakefront promenade of Stresa. This is the other hotel close to our hotel, Hotel Astoria. Our hotel is Hotel La Palma, right here. We are here on the ferry. We are going to the 3 islands of Lago Maggiore. This is Lago Maggiore. So we are here right now. This is their bigger boat, which I like because you're more comfortable. This is Stresa. We're leaving Stresa in a few minutes to tour the 3 islands. So we are here at the villa in Isola Bella. This is much more relaxing than the Vatican experience. Built in 1632 by Italian nobility, Count Carlo III Borromeo, at present day this palazzo is still owned by the Borromeo family. The gardens of Isola Bella, the most picturesque paradise, total immersion in nature's beauty mixed with rich Italian culture. And we have these great views. What a treat to my senses being here. We are here right now at Isola Bella, just waiting for the boat that will take us to Isola Madre. We are just waiting for it to come in. But it's coming soon, so we can hop on to the next island and continue sightseeing. Is the Italian Alps, Stresa. Across the lake is Stresa. Isola Pescatori. We're waiting to get there. There is another ferry over there. Isola di Pescatori is not owned by nobility. It's a fisherman's island that to this day maintained its down-to-earth Italian village character, but due to tourism, it is both humble and touristic at the same time. I'm guessing what used to be rustic fishermen's homes here have been renovated and are now million-euro properties. So we are here at Isola Madre. On our way to the villa, we're now here at Isola Madre, and we'll see what's here. Isola Madre is the biggest island, also owned by the Borromeo family. The palatial villa here is also called Palazzo Borromeo. The Borromeos also have a palace in Milan. Nice weather. There's a pathway that overlooks Lago Maggiore. We continue on to the villa. Really great views of Lago Maggiore. Very nice. It's very nice. What I like about this place, it's not as crowded as Capri, where we came from. We were in Positano and decided to come here. It's just very nice and very relaxing day. Along this picturesque walk, the conversations I'm hearing are Italian, French, Spanish, and German. Lake Maggiore is in most European travelers' wish list. Lake Como is more popular to most Americans, I think. So we are now in the villa garden. Isola Madre here in Lake Maggiore. We are staying in Stresa at Hotel La Palma, and we use the big boats. I think it's much more comfortable because the tinier boats are cramped. They're packed like sardines. So make sure when you come here you take the big boat. We're just taking a bit of break from all this sightseeing. This is really beautiful. Amazing day here at Lake Maggiore. Both Isola Madre and Isola Bella are gorgeous, like fairy tale islands. So unbelievably scenic, views so spectacular, with a take your breath away kind of beauty, complete with exotic birds. We got ourselves a hot chocolate. And right here is the palette. There's a church with a cafeteria and some tables overlooking the lago. We are here in Isola Madre. This is their embarcadero. It's the port. We are waiting for the ferry to arrive so we can get back to Stresa, the town where we're staying at. We just finished going around the villas seeing the sight, and we're ready to go back to our hotel, to the town. We are just waiting for the boat to come in. As an American traveler, I love this experience. So much natural beauty, rich culture, and amazing, very distinct scenic cuisine. The boat ride is unbelievably fun and amazing. Non-stop gorgeous scenery passing by. It's like a movie scene with extraordinary cinematography. The boat ride, to me, ranks up there in my list of best experiences here at Lake Maggiore.
Isola superiore, isola dei pescatori. Prossima fermata, isola superiore dei pescatori.
I'm enjoying Isola de Pescatori from the boat. It's a great perspective, seeing the coastline. It's almost like a floating island, so tiny. Stresa's coastline as we approach the city or town is very, very picturesque. Soon we'll see Stresa's hotels overlooking Lake Maggiore. These hotels have varying degrees of luxuriousness. I think Hotel La Palma has the most contemporary design, with the ambience and vibe and hospitality are all quintessentially pure Italian. It does not feel at all like what I'll find in the US. You'll never go wrong staying in one of these lakefront hotels. The hotel rates here in Stresa are more or less half the price per night of similar hotels in Capri, Positano, and other resort towns in the Amalfi Coast. Stresa is such a scenic resort town. I think the reason why the hotels here are less expensive than the Amalfi Coast is Stresa's so accessible from Milan as a day trip. The hotels here, business-wise, can't afford to charge more, because then travelers will just stay in Milan or other nearby cities and will just day trip to here. That's why the hotels here are more reasonably priced than other Italian, coastal, or resort places. The Grand Borromean Hotel. Right next door to it is Hotel La Palma, which we like. It's more modern. area, pool area of our hotel, La Palma. It actually overlooks the. We were just there on that island. That's the view right there. We were just there a few hours ago. Today, both restaurants, Los Tornello and La Stresa, have very delicious cuisine, authentic to northern Italy lake region. We spent for each lunch and dinner over €100 for 2 people. We just had a very delicious dinner at Restaurante La Stresa. We lucked out on that one. Very different from Roman cuisine. I will come back again and stay longer. What to do when weather's bad? You change your plans. Boats can get canceled for safety reasons. For optimal experience here at Lake Maggiore, great weather is a must.